News coming in from the state of Maharashtra with regards to the Disha Salian murder case. Disha Salian was depressed due to her father's misuse of money. Now, this is what the police closure report is claiming. The official, part of the probe, said that they have recorded statements of Disha's friends and some of the witnesses. And during this, it came to light that she was depressed because of some failed projects, misunderstanding with her friends, and misuse of her money by her father. Police also has recorded statements of the actors with whom Disha Salian was communicating on behalf of her company.
दिशा सालियन का परिवार, पिताजी आज अपने आप को सुरक्षित महसूस कर रहे हैं, इसलिए एक के बाद एक जानकारी वो जनता, न्यायालय और पुलिस के सामने दे रहे हैं। वो जो जानकारी देंगे, प्रूफ देंगे, जांच होगी और कार्रवाई होगी। कितना भी बड़ा भी व्यक्ति हो, लेकिन किसी हमारे देश की बहन बेटी की इज्जत के साथ में खेलने का उसको अधिकार नहीं मिल सकता। वो किसी मुख्यमंत्री का बेटा हो या कोई भाई का, डॉन का बेटा हो, कार्रवाई होगी।
उनके पिताजी, फादर, ये ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं उनको मालूम। हमारे लिए ये मामला बंद हो गया है। राजनीति चल रही है। अपनी बेटी की मौत की राजनीति मत करिए। जो सच है वो सच ही सामने आने दो। जो आया है पहले पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट है या और जो बातें सामने आई है, उससे साफ होता है क्या हो गया है। और अभी आपको पकड़कर कुछ राजनीतिक लोग क्या करना चाहते हैं।
My colleague Mustafa is now joining me on the story. Mustafa, from what we understand, failed projects, misunderstanding with her friends and misuse of money by her father. These were some of the crucial things with regards to the Disha Salian case. And now we also understand that she was depressed because of all these factors.
Well, yes, this entire thing has resurfaced because Disha Salian's father has filed a complaint alleging some politicians of Maharashtra involved in a crime against Disha Salian, due to which she has died. The closure report, which was filed by Malwani police in the suicide case, and remember, it was based on the circumstantial evidences, like speaking with friends of Disha, and they had said that Disha had given some money of her savings to her father, which he had spent. There were two of her friends who had stopped talking to her, and other financial constraints. These were the reasons behind the suicide. She had not left any suicide note behind, and hence the exact motive to be determined is difficult. But what the police, based on circumstantial evidences and statements, was able to get was that she was not keeping well, due to which she had committed suicide. But yes, there has been politics on this issue in Maharashtra also, with new allegations which are coming forward. And there are still to be substantiated. The Mumbai police is yet to register the FIR or start fresh investigation in any of the allegations which have been made by Disha Salian's father till now. Back to you.
Thank you, Mustafa, giving us those details. Now a case has also been filed. Disha Salian's father has filed a case and saying that there is politics that is being done, but the closure report by the police is pointing towards depression.